Sairam everyone. So now tell me first of all that yesterday we did the hypothalamus, the structure and the hormones which it secretes. So did you all understand all that? Devrat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me how the two different groups of the hormones are categorized, secreted by the hypothalamus.
Ma'am, releasing hormones and inhibiting hormones.
Okay, what do you mean by releasing hormones?
Ma'am, they stimulate different glands to secrete their hormones.
They stimulate the other glands to secrete their hormones. Okay, and what do you mean by the inhibitory hormones or inhibiting hormones?
Ma'am, they inhibit the secretion of other glands
They
or
inhibit
hormones.
the secretion means they stop the secretion of other glands. So other glands will, under the effect of these inhibiting hormones, the other glands will stop secreting their hormones. Okay, so now I want Rumisha to name the releasing hormones produced by the hypothalamus.
Yes, ma'am. What you said, I don't hear that.
I said that name the releasing hormones which are secreted by the hypothalamus.
TSH.
Okay.
Then
Yes, TSH is produced by.
TSR.
So,
Thyrotrophin releasing hormone.
so what we will call the hormone secreted by hypothalamus?
Thyroid stimulating hormone.
You are asking me or you are answering?
No, ma'am, I'm answering.
Acha. Anyone else? Can you tell me the first hormone secreted by the hypothalamus, which we discussed? Anyone else? Rumisha, tell me its abbreviation. What you write?
TSR.
TSR.
Yes, ma'am.
You noted?
Yes, ma'am.
It is TRH, thyrotrophin releasing hormone. What is
Okay,
it?
ma'am.
Thyrotrophin releasing hormone, or we call it as TSH-RH. Okay, so what is the function of it? What is the
It
function of
stimulates the anterior pituitary to release TSH.
TSH? Correct. Okay. So now next girl has to tell. Shravani, you tell me the second hormone.
Ma'am, adrenocorticotrophin releasing hormone.
Okay, how we denoted? What is its abbreviation?
Ma'am, ARH.
ARH. Okay. Then what is its function?
Ma'am, it stimulates the anterior pituitary to release adrenocorticotrophin.
Cortico.
Adrenocorticotrophin.
Trophic hormone. Correct. Okay. Now next, Devanshi, tell me the next hormone.
Ma'am, gonadotropin releasing hormone.
Okay. So what is the abbreviation used for denoting this?
GNH.
No. Corrected. RH सबके साथ जुड़ना है. Remember, releasing hormone है तो RH जुड़ेगा ही. So GnRH it is. Okay. So what are those GnRH? Means it is also the target organ is what?
Interpituitary.
Anterior pituitary. Okay. So what this will do? This hormone will do what? Further, what are the two types of it?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the two types of it?
Ma'am, actually that time my connection was lost, so I was not able to write that.
Acha, acha. Okay. Anyone, can you tell? Shravani, can you tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
Ma'am, the two types are follicle-stimulating hormone, that is
Haan.
FSHRH,
Okay, very
and
good.
luteinizing hormone, that is LHRH.
Correct. Okay. Now, next, Raj, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So, tell me the next hormone. You attended the class properly, Raj?
No, ma'am. I was absent.
You were absent. Chali, so Barbie will tell me.
Ma'am, stromatotrophin releasing hormone. Its
Okay.
abbreviation is SRH.
Very good.
Ma'am, its other name is growth hormone
Haan.
releasing hormone.
Okay.
It stimulates the interior pituitary to
Haan.
secrete the growth hormone.
Growth hormone. Very good. Okay. Now, the other hormone, what is LTHRH? Now, Ritu will tell me. What is LTHRH? Ritu.
Ma'am, I don't know.
You
I
don't know.
can't remember.
Acha. Are you noting the things or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. So you never noted?
Ma'am, noted.
तो
But
फिर
I
note.
can't find that one.
Acha, you are not getting only that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Shravani.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, I also cannot get that hormone.
Oh. Neha.
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, Neha has a problem in her mouth. उसके मुंह में छाले पड़ रहे हैं, इसलिए वो मतलब she can't speak.
Acha, Neha. Okay, okay. So Barbie, you are knowing.
Ma'am, I also not finding that hormone.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, ma'am, is it luteinizing hormone?
No, no, no. LTH, it is lactogenic. It is lactogenic hormone releasing hormone. Okay, lactogenic.
And
That
you
is,
have not taught this.
no, I have given the other name. I think that's why you are not getting prolactin releasing hormone. What is it? So you
Yes,
must have
ma'am.
noted that name. Okay, this name you must not have noted. Prolactin releasing hormone is only known as the lactogenic hormone because I said you mustn't have noted. ठीक है दोनों एक ही है prolactin releasing hormone. It will be stimulating the adenohypophysis to secrete the prolactin hormone. फिर that inhibiting hormones के नाम बता दो जल्दी से. Devanshi, can you tell me the inhibiting hormones? Name them. Devanshi.
And the growth inhibiting hormone,
Okay.
GHIH, and the prolactin pituitary hormone,
Okay.
and melano stimulating hormone.
Melanocyte.
Melanocyte stimulating hormone.
तो स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन बस बोलोगे तो रिलीजिंग इनहिबिटिंग कहाँ से होगा? You have to add up inhibiting hormone also ना because I am asking the inhibiting hormone. तो
Okay.
ये दोनों के नाम सेम है लेकिन एक के आगे अपन को रिलीजिंग हार्मोन ऐड करना है and the other one we will add up inhibiting hormone. So one will stop the secretion. Okay, and another one will stimulate it. Okay, so now I'll pick up the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland we started last period and we were discussing that the three lobes are there of the pituitary. Can you name anyone? Rumisha.
Anterior, posterior, and I don't know other one. Last one.
Intermediate.
इंटरमीडिएट ओके तीन लोकेशन के हिसाब से आगे का पीछे का बीच का दैट्स ऑल ओके एंड देन व्हाट आर द टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स व्हिच वी डिवाइडेड ऑन द बेस ऑफ फंक्शंस
Adenohypophysis and neurohypophysis.
Neurohypophysis.
okay correct okay so that was the two different parts so we discussed only this much I think now we'll start with the hormones which are secreted by the anterior pituitary lobe so you start put today's date and write down did we start any hormone of the pituitary?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
so
ma'am.
write down the hormones from anterior lobe of pituitary and put today's date. So first hormone, write down human growth hormone. Human growth hormone. Now what will be its abbreviation? Small h and gh. Okay, small h, gh. Gh will be capital. And the other name for the same hormone is somatotropin or somatotrophic hormone. Somatotrophic hormone. Now, do you know what is the function of this growth hormone? Function सबको पता है जल्दी से बोल दो
Help in growth of our body.
हाँ they help in the growth of the body so remember that long bones हमारे इसी के कारण होते हैं the muscle growth is because of this the growth of all visceral organs and then metabolism metabolism of the fats proteins it's all controlled by the growth hormone and that is how the whole growth of the body will be controlled by the growth hormone okay now second hormone write down prolactin prolactin and the other name you write down luteotrophic hormone luteotrophic luteo luteo and trophic luteotrophic hormone and the other name is lactogenic hormone the abbreviation we use is LTH okay now what will be the target organ of this prolactin hormone
Mammary glands.
memory glands बस तो जल्दी से लिख लो that they stimulate the development of the memory glands during the time of pregnancy as well as the lactation okay memory gland function is to secrete the milk so development during the pregnancy time occurs of these memory glands they develop further and when they start secreting the milk just after the childbirth so this is all stimulated by
Prolactin hormone.
Prolactin hormone.
is it very clear
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
now write down the next third hormone is thyroid stimulating hormone thyroid stimulating hormone now by the name and its abbreviation will become what
TSH.
TSH okay तो इसका टारगेट ऑर्गन क्या है
Thyroid gland.
thyroid gland okay so it helps in functioning of the thyroid gland and the synthesis and release of its hormones synthesis and release of its hormones is it clear to you all Devratna what the TSH will do
And synthesis and release of thyroid glands hormone.
हाँ okay so that is the function done by the thyroid stimulating hormone तो नाम से अपन को समझना है कि वो thyroid को stimulate कर रहा है to start its function okay now lipotropin write down next one is lipotropin okay lipotropin is not given in your textbook so you may skip also But remember, lipo word is coming from what? Raj, can you tell me lipo will be related to what? Raj,
Ma'am, I don't know.
अरे क्यों लिपो वर्ड सोचो जरा सा, मिल जाएगा आपको, भी ध्यान आएगा. Ritu, you were saying now?
Ma'am,
Lipids.
lipids.
Lipids, correct. Lipo word is related to the lipids. So, what this hormone will do, it will stimulate the liberation of fatty acids. It will stimulate the liberation of fatty acids from stored body fat. तो अगर बॉडी में कोई फैटी एसिड्स की जरूरत है फॉर द सिंथेसिस ऑफ सम ऑफ द हॉर्मोन्स, देन जो स्टोर्ड फैट रहता है उसी से वो मिलेगा. As amino acids the body gets from the proteins, same way fatty acids will be obtained from the fats. So whatever stored fat is there, when it will break up, so then fatty acids will be produced. So this breakdown will be stimulated by which hormone?
Lipotrophin.
लिपोट्रोपिन. ठीक है, अब जल्दी से नेक्स्ट वाला लिखो. दैट इज द फिफ्थ नंबर, एड्रिनोकोर्टिकोट्रोपिक हार्मोन. एड्रिनोकोर्टिकोट्रोपिक हार्मोन. नाउ कैन यू टेल मी,
Can you spell it?
एड्रीनो लिखो, ADRENO, एड्रीनो. ब्रेक द वर्ड, ओके, एंड देन राइट एड्रीनो. फिर लिखो कॉर्टिको, CORTICO, कॉर्टिको. ट्रोफिक, ट्रोफिक, TROPHIC, trophic. So adrenocortico word is related to what? Can anyone tell?
Adrenal gland.
Adrenal gland. And adrenal gland, remember जैसे अपन ने किडनी में पढ़ा था ना, the kidney is internally divided into outer cortex and inner medulla. Are you remembering?
Yes, ma'am.
Same way, adrenal gland is also internally differentiated into outer cortex and inner medulla. तो इसलिए अपन उसको बोलते हैं adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. Did you get it? तो adrenal cortex को यहाँ पर बोला adrenocortico. So now what will be the target organ of this hormone? अब तो clear है.
Adrenal gland.
Adrenal gland.
Okay. So now this hormone will help in the functioning of the adrenal cortex. Helps in the functioning of adrenal cortex and the secretion of glucocorticoids and secretions of gluco, GLUCO, glucocorticoid, CORTICOIDS, corticoids. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Please repeat.
ग्लूकोकॉर्टिकॉइड, तो ग्लूकोकॉर्टिकॉइड के सिक्रीशन में हेल्प करता है ACTH, GLUCO, glucocorticoids. It is a hormone secreted by the adrenal cortex. Adrenal cortex. Okay. Now the next hormone, what is the number?
6.
Sixth hormone. So follicle stimulating hormone. What is it? Follicle stimulating hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone. So follicle stimulating hormone, what will be its abbreviation?
FSH.
FSH, correct. So follicle words, are you remembering where we get the follicles? कुछ याद आया? Follicle word we did last year. कहाँ पर पढ़ा था follicle word? Anyone? Anyone? Follicle.
Graphian follicle.
Graphian follicle. Very good. It was Graphian follicle, and where these Graphian follicles are present?
Nephron.
Where?
Female reproductive system.
Female reproductive system.
Huh? Specify. Graphian follicles inside what?
Ovary.
Ovary. हाँ, correct. Inside the ovary. ठीक है, तो ये follicle stimulating hormone अब बाद से समझ जाना है that it will stimulate the
Ovary.
gonads. हाँ, तो यहाँ पर particular आप कर सकते हैं. So now write down that the follicle stimulating hormone stimulates the spermatogenesis in testes, and maturation of Graafian follicles in ovaries. Spermatogenesis, remember, it is the process of formation of sperms. Spermatogenesis is the process of formation of sperms. And maturation of Graafian follicles in ovaries. And secretion of estrogen. So estrogen is the hormone secreted by
Ovary.
ovaries. Okay. So female hormone में भी help करता है. Okay. Now next one, that is your seventh hormone, luteinizing hormone. Now if you have learned the hypothalamus hormones, remember वो जो releasing word हटा दोगे तो वो सारे hormones हमको मिल जाते हैं. Are you getting? तो anterior pituitary को stimulate कर रहा था, तो anterior pituitary is secreting all these hormones. Are you getting? Are you able to relate the two different secretions? We did there also FSH, we did ACTH also, we did TSH also. So pituitary को stimulate कर रहा था ये सारे hormones के लिए. So once you are studying the hypothalamus, you are getting the hormones of the pituitary also. Okay, so pituitary hormones. Now the luteinizing hormone. What is its function? Anyone can tell? Luteinizing hormone secreted by the. Did you get it? Hypothalamus में अपन ने इसको डिस्कस किया था. Anyone remembering? You can write down.
By ovary.
हाँ, so write down. It stimulates ovulation. It stimulates ovulation. Ovulation process, remembering?
Yes,
Devanshi,
ma'am.
tell me what is ovulation? Devanshi,
Yes, ma'am.
what is ovulation?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Devratna, what is ovulation? Devratna,
I'm the
think, see all these terms, whatever you have studied in 9th and 10th, you cannot forget. If you have to give the entrance exams for the medical college, you have to remember each and everything what we discuss in each class. Anyone remembering ovulation? Barbie,
Ma'am.
Raj, want to try?
Ma'am, releasing of ovum from the ovary.
Very good. The release of the ovum from the ovary, that process is only known as ovulation. Okay, try to remember, try to relate the word with the process. Okay, ovulation word ovum se aaya. Okay, so ovum is released from the ovary. That process is only known as ovulation. So ovulation के process को stimulate which hormone will do?
Luteinizing hormone.
फिर लिख लो second function क्या? Development of the corpus luteum. Development of corpus luteum. Are you remembering what is corpus luteum? Rumisha,
No, ma'am.
Ritu,
No, ma'am.
see all you all have forgotten. Shravani,
No, ma'am.
see we discussed कि जब ovulation के बाद में जो leftover tissues होते हैं, you call it as corpus luteum. And corpus luteum will be secreting the progesterone. Okay, when we discussed that whole cycle, that time we discussed about it, the menstrual cycle. So, what development of the corpus luteum and secretion of progesterone. So, third function write down secretion of progesterone. Progesterone. Written. Then it activates the Leydig cells of testes to secrete testosterone. Next function write down. Are you numbering the functions?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ओके luteinizing hormone functions we are discussing. पहला आपने लिख लिया stimulates ovulation. Second you have written development of corpus luteum. Third is secretion of the progesterone. Then fourth write down activates the Leydig cells. Leydig. L will be capital. Leydig. Leydig cells of testes to secrete its hormone. Are you remembering what is the hormone of the testes?
Testosterone.
Testosterone. Testosterone. Understood this much, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
ma'am.
So these are all the hormones which are secreted by which lobe of pituitary?
Anterior lobe.
हाँ एंटीरियर लोब. ठीक है. अब तो कितने हॉर्मोन्स हो गए एंटीरियर लोब के?
7.
7.
Hormones. Now take up quickly the intermediate lobe. Okay, hormones secreted by the intermediate lobe. So intermediate lobe, number 1, write down the first hormone, melanocyte stimulating hormone. So we discussed in the hypothalamus also. वहाँ पर अपन क्या ऐड करते थे? इसके साथ releasing hormone we were adding and inhibiting hormone. Okay, so this melanocyte stimulating hormone will be secreted by intermediate lobe of the pituitary. And can you tell me what is the target organ of this melanocyte stimulating hormone, or MSH? Melanocytes. Do you know what is melanin, children?
No, ma'am.
Melanin. Anyone? Neha, what you are saying?
And is it skin?
Yeah, it is skin. Remember, melanin. Remember, everyone. Melanin is the pigment which gives color to your skin, eyes, and hairs. Remember very nicely. It's very important. Melanin is a pigment, okay, which is present in our body, and that is only imparting the color to the skin, to your eyes and your hairs. More will be the melanin, darker will be the complexion, darker will be the hairs. Okay, less will be the melanin, fairer will be the person. Are you getting, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood
ma'am.
very nicely. Did you note down?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, क्लास में जो भी डिस्कस करते हैं ना, नोट करते जाओ जल्दी जल्दी, नहीं तो फिर वो बार बार बाद में कब डिस्कस होगा तो वी डोंट नो. Okay, along with that we are discussing. So melanin pigment is secreted by melanocyte. Cyte word means cell. What is the meaning of cyte?
Cell.
CYTE. So melanocytes are those cells which secrete the pigment melanin. Okay, so these melanocytes will be stimulated by this MSH and it will be secreting the melanin pigment. Okay, so that is the function. And then, did you get it, everyone?
Ma'am, what's the target organ of this hormone?
A target organ will be the melanocytes, that is the cells which are present in the skin. Okay, melanocytes are the cells present in the skin. They are the target cells, so the target organ will be the skin, and cells will be the melanocytes. Now take up the posterior lobe of pituitary. So one hormone is secreted by the intermediate lobe. अब जल्दी से अपन posterior lobe पर पहुंचते हैं. So posterior lobe, first hormone is oxytocin. Oxytocin. You are remembering oxytocin hormone? ये भी अपन ने 10th में डिस्कस किया है. The question was there in the textbook. that why oxytocin injections are administered during the childbirth. Devanshi,
Yes, ma'am.
do you remember this?
Ma'am, we have not studied it.
Not studied. Devratna,
No, ma'am.
not remembering. Anyone else? It was there in the textbook. Neha remembering?
Yes, ma'am. It was when during the time of childbirth,
Huh?
for for the child to come out of the womb, it sends signals to the pituitary, which
Huh?
release oxytocin, and
Huh?
then it which
Huh?
prevents the child to
Huh?
push and come out of the body.
The pelvic muscles will be relaxed, and the uterus will contract. Oxytocin's function is that only. Remember that it will increase the contraction of the uterus to if the child is ready to go out of the womb. Okay, so because the child is fully developed. So now what will happen? Child itself sends the signal to the pituitary. So I told you all this, the whole mechanism of the childbirth. And see, you all are not remembering. Nothing you all are remembering. Okay, so this we discussed today very nicely in the class that how the childbirth takes place. So childbirth I was telling you all last year I explained. आप जिनको नहीं याद है तो ध्यान से सुन लो और नोट करो. Okay, it's important that oxytocin is the hormone which is secreted by the pituitary, which lobe?
Posterior lobe.
Posterior lobe of the pituitary, only when the signal is sent by the developed baby. Okay, means the baby itself sends the signal कि now I am ready to go out. Are you understanding? And then the pituitary को जैसे ही signal मिलता है वो oxytocin secrete करता है, and this oxytocin will increase the contraction of the uterus muscles. Okay, and when the muscles will contract, baby will be pushed out. Okay, so oxytocin के लिए अपन abbreviation use करते हैं OT. OT. Written everyone? So it is known as the birth hormone. इसको अपन क्या बोलते हैं ऑक्सीटोसिन को?
Birth hormone.
Birth
Birth
hormone.
hormone. So this birth hormone will also, and just after the childbirth, you know that the mammary glands start secreting milk. That is the lactation starts. तो दो काम ऑक्सीटोसिन करता है. He helping in the childbirth also and helping in milk ejection by the mammary glands. So we give the other name also, that is milk ejecting hormone. What is the other name for it?
Milk ejecting hormone.
So birth hormone will do what? What will be the birth hormone doing?
It helps in childbirth.
अपन childbirth बोलोगे कैसे?
Ma'am, it increase the contraction of uterus.
Uterus muscle. That is the uterine muscle contraction will be increased. ठीक है. और milk ejection, what does it mean? Milk ejecting hormone, why you are calling?
Because it's helping the secretion of the milk from the mammary glands.
Okay, and that starts after the childbirth. Okay, so that is done by the milk ejecting hormone, and that is the oxytocin. Okay, and this milk production is under the control of which hormone? जल्दी बोलो, अब भी अपन ने पढ़ा.
Utilizing hormone.
कुछ भी, anything you say. Think quickly.
Utilizing hormone.
No.
Prolactin hormone.
Prolactin, correct. Prolactin. Okay. So all this is related, children. Remember it. Okay. Now quickly take up the second hormone, ADH. ADH. So my question was put up in the beginning that why oxytocin injection is given to the mother during the childbirth. So can you give me the answer?
Ma'am, so that the uterus contracts.
हाँ, द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन कैन बी इंक्रीज, क्योंकि वो मदर की बॉडी उसको रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रही है, मीन्स द कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस आर माइल्ड। ओके, तो इसलिए बाहर से इंजेक्शन देते हैं जो कि क्या करेंगे, द कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस विल बी, द यूट्राइन कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस विल इंक्रीज and it will help in the childbirth. Okay, then ADH, remembering ADH. Shravani, what is ADH? We did the whole system. Now you should know how the excretion process is regulated, how kidney function is regulated. What is that hormone? What is that function? What is that hormone?
Antidiuretic hormone.
हाँ, very good. Anti-diuretic hormone. You all don't revise children. That's अभी तो आप लोग टेस्ट देने के लिए तैयार हैं, and then you are not answering what is ADH. This is the important question which will be asked in the test. That what is the role of the ADH? So ADH is anti-diuretic hormone. Other name is vasopressin. What is the other name? VASOPRESSIN, vasopressin. So it helps in the reabsorption of water from the nephric filtrate. So this we have discussed the whole thing. Write it in brief. Helps in the reabsorption of water from the nephric filtrate. In which parts?
Secretory tubule.
Tubule. So that is the DCT collecting tubule, and the urine will become hypotonic.
Concentrated.
Huh? Yes, Ritu.
Ma'am, urine will be concentrated.
So what do you call it? Other name for it? Hypo or hypertonic? देवव्रत जल्दी बोलो, हाइपरटोनिक होती है या यूरिन की हाइपोटोनिक हो जाती है? यस देवव्रत ने?
Hypotonic.
नाउ सी, सो कंफ्यूजन इज देयर. बार भी हाइपरटोनिक और हाइपोटोनिक.
Hypotonic.
क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
हाइपर होगा कि हाइपोटोनिक यूरिन होगी? It will be hypertonic. Remember, concentrated, when we say it will be a hypertonic, not hypotonic. Hypo means less. Okay, so this was all about the hormones which are secreted by the pituitary. Is it clear to everyone? Total hormones now how many you got?
10.
Say soon.
10.
10 hormones. So remember, the pituitary secretes 10 different hormones, and the target organs are all different and helping. So that's why we say that pituitary is the master gland. Okay, why you call it as a master gland? Because you have seen that so many different functions are sorry, regulated by the pituitary gland. Now, are you remembering the that deficiency diseases or the disorders which are related to the secretions related to your growth hormone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Dwarfism and gigantism.
Correct. We did two, that is dwarfism and gigantism. Okay. So now the next gland, the third gland is the pineal gland. So write it quickly. Pineal gland. So pineal gland I should take up next. Now it is already 45. So pineal gland is also formed from the ectoderm. So I'll take up this next time. So you read the two topics which are given in the same, that is chemical control and coordination chapter, two gland secretions, hypothalamus and pituitary. Okay, and if you have any doubt in any line, any word, you will ask me. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you followed a little that how to study and how to remember these hormones. Ritu,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ समझ में आ गया ना कि how you have to relate it to the process, to the organ. Name itself gives us an idea. Okay, that what hormone it secretes, what will be its function, and what will be its target organ. Okay, so once again, I'm taking your attendance, and then I'll stop the recording.